y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, you remember the picture that we found yesterday? It was on Joe's Instagram. He was showing a bunch of items in the background. Well, of course there was a couple more items spotted, and I just had to let you guys know what they were. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing some confirmed BoxyLux September spoilers. Well, thank you so much, Priscilla Acosta. Priscilla says, hi, hope you're doing good. Well, Priscilla, honey, I'm still pushing, I'm still going, honey, and I really appreciate you asking. I hope you're doing well. And I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. If you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, now before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. During that time, you'll see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now. So guys, let's go ahead and get that done. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So first, I'm going to show you the picture, and then I'm going to show you what we found yesterday, and then I'll show you the new stuff that has been spotted. So the first thing that we seen was the Tarte Cosmetics Lights Camera Lashes Mascara that was valued at $23. And if I can find a value, I'll put them up here on the items. Next up is the Milk Makeup Cooling Water Eye Patches valued at $22. And then next is that Violet Voss Essentials Volume 2 Eyeshadow Palette. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright guys, now the new items that were spotted. Well, the first thing is the ESW Beauty Raw Juice Cleanse Mask Set. Now I have not heard of this brand, so I'm eager to see what everybody thinks about this one. And then last but certainly not least is that Pure Hills Pore Clear Black Charcoal Peel Off Pack. So guys, let me know what you think about these items. And again, if you spot anything that we haven't in this picture, let us know what you spot down in the comment section. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Brittany Collins. Brittany says, hey Mandy, and great spoilers. Well, thank you so much, Brittany. I really appreciate that. And I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, honey. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You could only hit the thumbs up button because the thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. Guys, again, I really appreciate everything that y'all have done, donating to my PayPal. Mariah, Steve, Anna. I mean, I couldn't be more grateful for you guys. And for those of you that watch my videos and are subscribed to my channel, I just love y'all from the bottom of my heart. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.